Today, we're diving into the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard, a device engineered for everyday comfort, efficiency, and a healthier approach to typing. Designed with office professionals and home office users in mind, this keyboard promises a natural typing experience thanks to its unique design and thoughtful ergonomic features. One of the standout aspects of the Wave Keys is its compact key layout. The compact keys not only reduce desk clutter, but also bring your mouse closer, promoting a more natural shoulder position that can reduce fatigue during long work sessions. The wavy design of the keyboard is not just for aesthetics. It guides your hands, wrists, and forearms into a more comfortable position, helping to minimize strain over extended periods of typing. A key feature that really sets this keyboard apart is the cushioned palm rest, complete with memory foam support. This ensures that even on those long days of typing, your wrists are cushioned and supported, allowing for smoother, more comfortable interaction with your device. In addition, the ease of use extends to connectivity. The keyboard supports both Bluetooth and the Logi Bolt receiver for a stable connection, and its easy switch function makes it a breeze to alternate between devices running Windows, macOS, iPadOS, or even Chrome OS. In real-life scenarios, users have reported that this keyboard truly embodies what ergonomic design should be, making extensive typing tasks less taxing on the body. Whether you're drafting documents, indulging in some casual chatting, or navigating through multiple apps, the responsive keys and intuitive layout ensure a fluid experience. However, on the flip side, some users may miss the added features of a full-size keyboard, such as having a dedicated number pad, which may be a deciding factor for those who require extensive numerical work. Compared to similar products, such as the Microsoft Sculpt ergonomic keyboard, the Logitech Wave Keys holds its own by offering a more portable solution with a modern design and a unique switchable connectivity option. While some competitive models may focus more on a broader array of custom macros or additional keys, Logitech has honed in on delivering an optimal balance between comfort and versatility. To make the most of the Wave Keys, it is advised to spend some time customizing your shortcuts through the Logi Options Plus app, personalizing your workflow for maximum efficiency. Additionally, pairing it with complementary products like the Logitech Lift vertical ergonomic mouse can further enhance your ergonomic setup. Overall, the Logitech Wave Keys wireless ergonomic keyboard is a solid choice for users looking to ease their everyday typing routine while maintaining a modern, compact design. If you're in search of a keyboard that combines performance and comfort, and especially if your work involves prolonged periods of typing, this model might just be the right upgrade for you.